Hello guys, Kids Coding Life here, back with another video. Today I will be showing you how to make a full calculator in Thunkable, where you can basically download the Thunkable app, sign in, and you have your calculator. So the very first thing you want to do is you want to go to Google Chrome and make sure you ask parents' permission before you open up any web browser. So I'm just going to open that up. Once you're in Chrome, all you want to do is go to thunkable, that is thunkable.com. So now you just want to click Get Started, and then click Sign In with Google. Even if you don't have an account, just click Sign In with Google, and then we could create a new app. Project name, I'm just going to name it Calculator, CC, doesn't really matter. And as you can see, we have our default screen here. So let's start off with the layout. The layout. So what you want to do is you want to take 4 buttons, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that, and then you want to drag a label along with the text input. So now you should have something looking like this. But you want to name the text input. Actually, you want 2 text inputs. We'll name the first text input num1, or num2, since that's the second one. And then I'll name the first one num1. And then we'll also rename it up here num1. Num2 over here, we want to go ahead and click that little pencil, rename it to num2. And then label here, we'll just put as no num calculated. Okay, so now that we have that, we could just click operator, it doesn't really matter. I can't spell today. So then, all of these 4 buttons, what we're going to do with the first button is we're going to select it. Text, we're just going to put plus. Plus. And then you're going to rename the top here to also plus. And then over here, we'll change the color to green. Now, we'll rename this to minus, or dash. Dash symbolizes minus. And then we'll rename that to minus. And then we'll change. It doesn't have to be blue, green, red, yellow. You could do whatever you want. Just, I'm putting it in my order. You don't even have to change the color. It's just easier to recognize when you change the color. So we have. So now we have plus minus. Now can you guess what's next? That is correct. Division. Slash in code always means division, and star in code always means multiplication. So that is something to keep in mind. Now we can just click slash. And then for the last one, I'm probably going to do kind of feeling like yellow. And then I'm going to change the text color to like black, so it's easier to see. And then this is going to be star for our multiplication. And then we'll also go to name this to star for multiplication. So now if we preview, by clicking the preview button up here, we have a very nice interface where I can type whatever I want. But there's a couple things I forgot. Now, as you can see, this is a calculator. So if I put text in, you're able to put text in. Now, you're not supposed to be able to put text in because it's a calculator. It's only for numbers. So to fix that, we could just delete all of this, go back into edit mode, and select your text input, and then you want to scroll down till you see here keyboard type right there. So you want to scroll, or it's just going to pop up right in front of you under text. It's just going to say keyboard type. Now you want to put numeric, okay, in both of them. So keyboard type, numeric. So numeric is the option that we're going to be going to. And now it's time to get into the code. Okay, so now that we're in blocks, what we could do is we could go to, how about we could go to plus, button 1 shouldn't be there, button 4 shouldn't be there. Oh no, I don't think it's saved. So this is button 4, this is supposed to be plus. So sometimes it does that, and we just have to make sure that it actually saved. Yeah, see, now it actually saved. Hopefully. Nope. If it doesn't save, then it's probably a character issue, so you just have to type multiple pluses, and it should save. Still no? Okay, then I guess we're going for button 4, which is plus. So button 4, we're gonna go here. When button 4 click, we are going to go to num1, get num1's text, num2, just drag that out, num2's text, and then you want to go to operator, or whatever you named your final text, and set operator's text to right here, and then you want to go to math, and then here you want to go, since this is plus, we're going to be dragging plus there, and then we're just going to be dragging these two texts here, like this. So now you have this. Now what you want to do is you want to duplicate that 3 more times. 1, 2, 3. And then you want to go to button 4. I'm gonna do button 1, so we can get that out of the way. Now you want to make sure that is the second one here. So button 1, which is multiplication, we're going to button 1, which is multiplication, and then we're going to multiply that right there. Multiply, and then you want to go to subtraction, plus, minus, and then button 4, divide, and then plus. You could set that to division, and then that's it. You could just click live test, and if you have the app installed, you could see a live test on your phone. So now you could do like 3 plus 5, and 3 plus 5 is 8. Actually, I should have done another example like 2 plus 8. 2 plus 8 is 10. 8 minus 2 is 6. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Let's try that again. 2 divided by 8 is... Maybe I have to put it in. Maybe I put it in the wrong way. Still 10? This is division. So maybe it's 10. I don't know how it would be 10, but maybe it is 10. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe, I don't know. Anyways, 2 times 8 is 16. Once it wants to. Yeah. 2 times 8. 2 times 8 is 16, as you can see there. Now, I wonder what happens if I type in LLL plus JJJ. Nan. Nan, nan, nan. How about, here's the fun thing you could do. Yeah, doesn't work. Nan. That's, I guess, you get a nanny if you type in letters and numbers and letters. I'm kidding. NaN just means that there's no value, or it cannot give you a value because the value is corrupted. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope to see you soon in a brand new video. See you next time.